What's going on, everybody? We're gonna be doing today's December 9th. We're at the end of our day and we're coming to do a little bit of unbox therapy. Check it out, what we're doing today. We're installing the brand new Zodiac MX8 Elite with the Cyclonic leaf catcher. Let's do some unbox therapy. Already popped the seal, open it up, and we're gonna lay it down. Here we go, this is how we're gonna find it inside of the box. Here's where we have your main unit. Have all your accessories on the left side inside this compartment. You have your main leader hose that goes to your main unit, and then all your accessory hoses right here. Let's get it going. So we're gonna be doing some unboxing on the leaf catcher as well. Here she is right in here. Put the tab open and pull out your leaf canister. And then you have some adapters on the inside in case if you have different type of hoses. That's what these adapters here are for. And this is going to help you lead into your skimmer or on your vacuum side port. Alright, so back here at the main unit, you're going to want to keep this card. This card is going to teach you how to adjust your cleaner for your pool to work properly. Flip your leg, your main unit up, and here you're going to be removing these foam pads. And here are the brushes that rotate and brush the pool as the cyclonic turbines turn and are cleaning the pool. All right, so next you want to go ahead and get your main leader hose. The one that has this tape to it. Go ahead and remove that. And this is going to connect directly to your main leader inside your accessories bag. You'll find the same adapter that connects to the top of the main head. Go ahead and take that out. And remove the tape. This part simply clips onto the main unit. Push on the little tabs a little bit and directly down. Then you take your leader hose and this connects onto the two tabs. And twist and lock. Now you're going to go ahead and you're going to continue adding more of the leader hoses. Connect it into either your skimmer, or if your pool has a side port, you connect it onto the side port. Once you got some of the hoses out of here, you want to go back to your main vacuum box, and inside the accessory bags you're going to have some accessories, a rubberized 45, a ribbed cone, and you're going to have this lead. So again, you're going to have that 45, and then you'll have this regulator relief valve. This should be used inside of a skimmer, so we're going to be using this. When you're buying the Cyclonic leaf catcher at the same time, you'll notice that inside there you're going to have a same 45. I like to use this one though, because this one here is a little bit different, and I'm going to show you the reason why. Here goes your original one here. They came inside of the vacuum box, and here's the secondary one that comes inside the leaf catcher. The main difference is the one that's on the leaf catcher which is this one right here. This one has a rotatable neck piece. So this one can also rotate, and this is not rotatable. So this one is more adjustable, so that instead of you taking, if your leaf canister ended up being, you installed it wrong and it's like this inside of the swimming pool, and it's catching air from the rubberized bottom mount right here, then you can simply, instead of taking this apart and moving the hoses off of the line, you can simply rotate the neck to where you need to get to, so that this floats inside of the water with the bottom mount, the bottom drain ports facing downwards. All right, so I've gotten all of my hoses connected. This is the way I kind of measure out the pool for the vacuum cleaner and the hose amount of length that I'm going to need. This is roughly about the same amount that I'm going to be using with this amount. The cleaner should be able to get into all different areas of the swimming pool. If I may need to take one out, I could take one out, but we're going to go with this length right here, which you typically have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 liter hoses on this cleaner for this pool. All right, so I got my connection in there. I wasn't able to use the pressure regulator. It's because of the sheer distance and depth of this specific skimmer and the position of where this pipe is. So I had to use the rubberized 45 with the adjustable connected 45. I'm gonna try to fabricate and modify this rib cone because it wasn't passing the first rib. So I'm gonna try to modify this cone so it fits down in there, so I can get a better connection, and possibly use the regulator at a later time. But for now, this is the way that we're gonna set it up. So as you can see, we have installed our Cyclonic leaf catcher there. And you see how it's pointing up in this position? We're gonna want to get that down where it's straight up and down. So as I told you, with the adjustable 45 here, all we're gonna do is just rotate it. And it's click by click. We're not really changing the position of our angle of our piping, but we are changing the position of the hose without having to disconnect anything. So you see there, that's the way that you want to have the leaf catcher inside the pool installed. On this final step, this is where you're going to want to be doing your adjustments for the cleaner to give the correct amount of pressure that it's going to need for it to operate. And again, you're going to go back to your verification adjustments wheel chart here. Go to step 1, step 2, and adjust it. Verify these right here, and then that's what we're going to be doing to adjust the pressure on the cleaner over there. This is our skimmer here, and this is our full main drain. We'll be needing more pressure to pull from our skimmer, so that way we close the main drain side also, so that we can get more pressure pulling from the skimmer, so we have more suction on the vacuum, which is a suction driven skimmer. As you can see there, our cleaner now is mobile and operating. So again, on the side of that, on the side of the wheel of the actual cleaner, you're gonna need to pick it up, and you need to count the rotations of the yellow marked on one of the gear. I believe it's on the right side of the cleaner. One of the wheels has a yellow indentation on it. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna count those wheels to fall in line with the verified and correct recommended suctions for the cleaner. It's late and we got caught by the light here, no more sun, so we're going to be packing everything up here. If you have any questions regarding this video, post your comments down below. Like and subscribe on my page. If you need any more information regarding the installation here, put your comments down below and I'll answer them accordingly. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's a late night pool vacuum cleaner installation.